Hi guys, so we can see the analysis of crude oil on gold and natural gas guys. Okay guys, previous week what we have discussed we can see here guys how it behaves, and also if you have any queries guys please comment down. I will surely reply you and make a separate video on that so you have got clarity. You can see that guys exactly here only make on a red candle, you have buy it somewhere here only and your SL will be somewhere here guys. Okay guys, you can we have reached our first target also, second target and third target too guys. Okay guys, you have also not taken here somewhere trade. You can see that after here somewhere here only consolidating happens, so here also you have bought and your SL will be kept here somewhere, so your SL will be very small and you have got your first target, second and third target guys. How nicely you have got your target guys. Also you can see here sellers, you can see that sellers has came first time, second time, okay guys, third time. This is the area become that the it will be the sellers area. Okay guys, after here only it came, so you can see that sellers once again came and dominated here somewhere here only. You have bought at this candle or this candle, your sell will be somewhere here. You can see that how nicely you have achieved up till here. You have got, because this is the low and this is your target. You have got very nice in target in US dollar versus crude oil guys. We have got very nice target. Hope you have traded this. In natural gas also you can see here guys, exactly here only taken resistance. You can see here our SL will be somewhere this candle also, or you have bought here or here your SL will be there. Okay guys, ideal will be this is be your buying candle guys, and here will be your SL. Okay guys, you have buy put or gone short in this, so you have see that it has taken resistance but cannot go on up till here. You can see that our first target also reached guys, second target, third target slightly only. After that you can see that how nice risk to reward you has get guys. Okay guys, here is two trend line. This is the trend line first. If this broken, you have to buy somewhere here only, because this you can see that act as a supporting area and taken it two times and have a very nice upside momentum. Otherwise you can see that this is the one of the trend line. After this is broken, you have buy it somewhere here. You have got very nice trade somewhere here. After that continuously consolidate, it tries to take downside buyer or sellers, but buyer are so much dominated, taken it upside once again. We have got very nice trade here also in natural gas. We can see gold and US dollar guys. Okay guys, we have taken trade also. You can see here guys, I will just make you can see here guys. Okay guys, somewhere here only I have bought, so you can see here I have bought somewhere here, and my SL will be somewhere here only, because this is the very quick moment has been done. So I have seen that it may be came downside, so I have taken one risk. So I have taken my risk and I have bought somewhere here only. Frankly, after that it came and consolidate. Our second target almost reached. Okay guys, I have booked my 70% here only. After that it came once again upside momentum. After that here only consolidating. So I think that I will kept my SL somewhere here only, and I have entered in this right candle. Okay guys, after this right candle close and here at this top. Okay guys, my SL will be somewhere here. After that my 70% once again I have invested here. Okay guys, because I am seeing that it is so much bearishness, so in market also I have seen crude oil also, natural gas, so I think that it may be came downside, because index are so much volatile also and one-sided momentum, and gives us very nice upside momentum in US index or other, you can see world index also. So I have taken one position somewhere here only. After that our first target also is second target also. I have also told you that second target only I have booked my 70%. Here I have booked my all. Here somewhere I have booked my 70%. Okay guys, after that once again I have invested here. My 30% is remaining. After once again I have 70% I have invested, and my SL will be here. I booked my 100% somewhere here only. After reach here only. Okay guys, I have not taken up till here only, fourth target only. I have just extended it up till here. After that you can see that reversible, so I have not considered this, I have not traded this, but up till here I have got very nice target, so I have wanted to share this. After you can see here guys, what we have analysis for coffee, you can see that exactly taken here resistance, our first target also reached, second target also, our third target almost reached, but it reversed. Okay guys, after that you can see that here buyer and sellers fighting. After that, once again this swing is crossed, then we can expect that it will be a downside momentum. But after that you can see that here is fight has been so much buyers and seller. After this is crossed, you can see that how nicely momentum has been came. If you have not taken here also, then you can see that it is exactly taken here only support. You can see that one-sided momentum. So hope you have got this trade. You have done very nice trade in here guys. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family, and have any queries, please comment down guys. Thank you for watching guys.